Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can crossplay Human Fall Flat between a PS4 and PC. I just want to make this quick video that is not possible right now to do it, that you can't really crossplay between PS4 and PC because there isn't any crossplay across any platform. But the PlayStation players can play together but cannot play with Xbox or PC. So same thing with the PS4. Someone even wrote here that is Human Fall a cross platform from PS4 to PC, and yeah, it's not possible. So thank you very much for watching. I just want to make this quick video for you, what is and what isn't possible and what you can actually do. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.